Hello students, welcome back to another video. So in this video we will discuss revision notes for chapter number 12 electricity for class 10th science. So let's start. In the recent time, life would be impossible without electricity. From lighting our homes, charging our devices, electricity has become an integral part of our day-to-day life. So it becomes necessary to understand the origin, characteristics and utilization of electricity. In the current chapter, we will discuss the following points. That is electric current and circuit, electric potential and potential difference, circuit diagram, Ohm's law, factors on which the resistance of a conductor depends, resistance of a system of resistors, heating effect of electric current and electric power. So we will start from charge. Charge is a characteristic unit of matter by means of which matter experience electric forces. It can be either negative or positive charge. Negative is called electron, positive is called proton. Next, coulomb is the SI unit of charge. You need to remember this, represented by C. Next is net charge. Q, total charge. 1 coulomb net charge is equivalent to the charge containing nearly electrons 6 into 10 raised to 18 electrons. Formula for net charge Q is quantization of charge, that is Q is equal to Ne, where N is number of electrons. If Q is equal to 1 coulomb, E is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb, then N will be, number of electrons will be Q by E, that is 1 upon 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. Okay, so number of electrons will be 1 upon 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. Therefore, on calculating, we get further calculation, we get N is equal to 6 into 10 raised to 18 electrons. Now, definition of current. Rate of flow of net charge is called current, denoted by capital I. Therefore, I is equal to Q by T. Electric current can also be defined as the amount of charge flowing through a unit cross section in per second. So from the above equation we can say Q by T, that is unit charge per second, is called electric current. Okay, SI unit of current is ampere, denoted by A. Ampere, SI unit of current is ampere, denoted by capital A. Ampere can be defined as 1 coulomb of charge per second, that is 1A is equal to 1C upon 1S. In an electric circuit, the electric current flows in the opposite direction to the flow of electron, that is negative charge. This current is called conventional current. It flows from the positive terminal battery or cell to negative terminal. Small quantity of current are expressed in milliampere, MA, which is equal to 10 raised to minus 3 ampere, and microampere, that is 10 raised to minus 6 ampere. Now, ammeter, it is an instrument used to measure the electric current in a circuit. It is always connected in series in a circuit. You need to remember, ammeter is always connected in series in a circuit. It has low resistance. Practically, ideally ammeter's resistance must be 0. It is represented as the symbol A. So this symbol you can see in electric circuit. Okay, now next topic is electric circuit. It is a closed path along which the current flows. Okay, here is a circuit. We can see a circuit contains battery, ammeter, bulb and key. So the current starts flowing from battery, positive terminal of the battery, it goes to ammeter, bulb and then returns to key and it returns to the battery. So this process is a closed path and where current flows. Okay, so let's read the notes. The electrons can only flow when there is difference of electric potential. For example, water flowing through a tube, it is only possible when there is high pressure at one side and low at another side. Then it will move through from high pressure to low pressure. In case of electric current, the flow of charge is made possible due to chemical action within a cell that generates the potential difference across the terminals of the cell. Okay, electric potential difference definition, it is defined as the work done in carrying a unit charge from one point to another in an electric circuit. So formula for potential difference, V is equal to W upon Q. V is potential difference, W is work and Q is net charge. Okay, so you need to remember the formula for potential difference. Now SI unit of potential difference, that is volts, denoted by V. It is named after Alessandro Volta. Okay, now definition of 1 volt. When 1 joule of work is done in carrying 1 coulomb of charge from one point to another of a current carrying conductor, then the potential difference is said to be 1 volt. That is 1 volt is 1 joule per 1 coulomb. Okay, now voltmeter, it is an instrument used to measure the potential difference represented by the symbol V, capital V, with positive negative terminal. In an electric circuit, it is always connected in parallel across the points between which the potential difference is to be measured. It has high resistance. Okay, circuit diagram. A circuit diagram, electrical diagram consists of electrical diagram, elementary diagram, electronic schematic in a is a graphical representation of an electric circuit. So in circuit diagram, several symbols are used. So here are some of the symbols which we study in class 10. First is cell, positive negative terminal के साथ cell है. Battery, multiple cells are connected to form battery. Key के लिए हम यूज करेंगे दो. एक key है, this is open key. So those two symbols are used. First one is this one and another one is this. Now क्लोज्ड की के अंदर बीच में सिर्फ डॉट रखना है और यहाँ पे भी ये क्लोज हो जाएगी. जॉइंट वायर्स, 2 वायर्स आर जॉइंट. ओके, नाउ सिक्स्थ वायर विथ नो जॉइन. ओके, सो दिस रिप्रेजेंट वायर विथ नो जॉइन. bulb is shown here, ammeter is shown here. Okay, ammeter, voltmeter, then resistance and rheostat, variable resistance is shown. Okay.